I'm Scott Hilder with Total Home Solutions. Total Home Solutions is a licensed service organization through Natural Resources Canada. We are licensed to service all parts of Canada, excluding Quebec. What we do is we perform energy efficiency evaluations on new residential construction using the EnerGuide rating system. Typically, successful builders reach out to us because they know the EnerGuide rating system can help increase the revenue of their homes. They're just unsure how to utilize it and properly market it. They know that the EnerGuide report is mandatory in certain municipalities. However, they're having trouble locating a fast, reliable, and dependable energy evaluation company. They have also heard that there are numerous rebates available, yet they need a company like Total Home to help keep them up to date on these rebates, as well as assist in applying for them. What we do is we work with builders to analyze their current building practices and help them develop a step-by-step strategy to become an energy-efficient builder and increase the revenue of their homes. An EnerGuide rating shows a standard measure of your home's energy performance. It shows you and future buyers exactly how energy efficient your home is. The builder or homeowner contacts Total Home Solutions, a licensed service organization with Natural Resources Canada. The builder then works with Total Home Solutions to enroll and label houses in the program. We will undertake an analysis of the new house plans, noting components that will affect the energy efficiency of the house, such as mechanical equipment, windows, building envelope, insulation levels, and all other aspects that affect the energy efficiency of the home. This information is inputted in Enercan's simulation software to determine the estimated annual energy usage and EnerGuide rating for the house as per the plans and specifications. Once the current level of energy efficiency is determined, Total Home Solutions can run various simulations to include energy efficient upgrades which improve the energy performance of the home. Based on good building science principles, various packages are put together to give builders an idea of what energy efficient measures to undertake to reach the desired EnerGuide rating. These optional energy efficient upgrades are provided to the builder for costing analysis. The builder meets with the homeowner to agree on the house specs and energy efficient components that their house will have and at what cost. If air changes per hour are an important enough concern for the homeowner and builder, Total Home Solutions also provides a pre-drywall blower door test to pinpoint any major or minor air leakage. When construction is complete, the builder calls Total Home Solutions to come back to the house to verify the energy efficient upgrades and perform the final blower door test. After the data has been collected, the homeowner is provided with a full house report needed for occupancy, a homeowner evaluation report, and the official label that shows the EnerGuide rating of the home. This label should then be affixed to the electrical panel. Total Home Solutions then assists the builder or homeowner in applying for any rebates available for building energy efficient homes. If you are planning on building or buying a new home, contact Total Home Solutions today. An energy efficient home not only saves you money on utilities, but it also creates a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family.